Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I am doing a giveaway for my US subscribers. Shipping international right now is just way too high and they are raising the prices again. So this is for the United States subscribers only. Rules are the same. I'm gonna show you all the things you can get from this giveaway, and then somewhere in the video I'm gonna ask you one simple question, and all you have to do is answer the comments down below, and then the YouTube random picker will select one random winner for this giveaway. So like in my previous giveaways in this month, I've got a big pack of temporary fake tattoos, which I have no use for, and instead of throwing them in the trash, I thought about giving them away. Maybe somebody who wins this giveaway has kids or grandkids, nephews who might like to use these, or maybe you're a teacher and then you can give this to one of your students. So temporary fake tattoos. And let's see, we're gonna have Christmas stuff and non-Christmas stuff in this video. You know, I am kind of running out of questions to ask. This one, I somehow have a few of these. This I really like because the black one, you can put it behind it instead of coloring this on its own. So you can do this with orange, and then this with black on top, and it make it look like a California puppy because it's orange. Okay, let's see some Christmassy stuff. Okay, this came from a bigger set that was too big, so I cut it in half. I'm not even sure where the other half is, to be honest. But this is really cute, and I love this size because this is perfect for a card. So it will, let's say this is a card, it will take up a big piece of the card, and then you just need a sentiment next to it, and then maybe some snow, or heat emboss a pretty background, something like this, but maybe not the musical one, something Christmassy, and then just color it and then put it on the card. Perfect. Lots of room to color and good outlines. The next one, since I already showed this to you, is this musical background. Like I said, you can heat emboss this and just put it in the background somewhere. You can do it with a very light baby blue and then other things on top of it, or you can also use this on a card tag. Next is this Christmassy one. We got some fake what is that, ice, the thing that oh my god, brain freeze, when the water, the ice freezes and then you get those sharp little things. Ooh, what is it called? Anyways, you know what I'm talking about. And then this for Santa, send a mail to Santa. It's so cute. We got 2 sentiments, room to color, the outlines are very thin. It's a good one. And then a mushroom die. Okay, my question is, let me think. I'm running out of things to ask. Let's do, what do you like as a side dish on Thanksgiving dinner? Yeah, what side dish do you like for your turkey? That's it. All you have to do is comment down below. This is also kind of like a wintry because we have these skiing area. We have a car, camping. Very cute. It's more like a bullet journal, things like there's Wi-Fi. I don't know. That's a little. I don't know how you can use that in a card, but journaling, that's perfect. And then these ones are really good for cards too, and it's pretty small, so you can do multiple ones in one card. Washi tapes. This came from a big set that I took apart. This I like because it's infinity. And you can put it on the border of literally anything. And the other one is just, I really like this because I like to use these on the borders. It's very simple. It's not just random stuff thrown all together. 2 more items. This big stamp. Sunflowers. A wreath of sunflowers. And a couple of sentiments. You are the sunshine in my life. And then we got some up here too. And a little bit of, oh, the sunflower seeds. That's funny. And then the last one is this Christmas door. So the door, and then you can put the wreath on it, and then this little Christmas tree on the side. Very cute. Okay, that was it for this video. I'm gonna do another giveaway in a few days, so make sure you play this one and the next one. Good luck.